Welcome to this video. This video will help you if you want a really cool book recommendation, and if you're new to the law of attraction, I'm going to recommend one of the best books or audio CDs I actually got of this, and I paid a lot more for it. And it's going to be something that you may not have heard before because it's not the stereotypical. There's so many books on the law of attraction now, and so many well-known ones that are brilliant, by the way, really, really good. But I want to give you a recommendation on a book that will be perfect if you're just starting with the law of attraction. So maybe you need more money, maybe you're attracting something like a material thing like a house or a vacation or whatever it is, whatever you're going for. Maybe you're just looking to improve your life. This is the book, I highly recommend the audio CD. There's a paperback and there's also an audio CD, and the reason I'm recommending it is twofold. Number one, this guy Earl Scholz was actually Jim Rohn's mentor. So Jim Rohn was a businessman that actually went on to sort of teach Tony Robbins. So we know Tony Robbins, the sort of self-help guru. Well, before Tony Robbins, one of Tony Robbins' first jobs was with Jim Rohn, I believe. I'm not sure if it was with Herbalife or just working with him in some other way. But Jim Rohn was a bit of a mentor to Tony Robbins, and Earl Scholz was the mentor to Jim Rohn. So for background on this, do check out Jim Rohn. He's one of my self-appointed mentors. I think he's absolutely brilliant. He's successful both in money but also in life as well. Really nice guy. Never met him, but out of what I've seen, his material has helped me immensely. So if you're interested in success generally in business, stuff like that, do check out Jim Rohn. Now I digress a little bit, back to the law of attraction. So Earl Scholz, this is what you'll find interesting, especially if you choose to get the audio CD, and you might be able to find this around the web. I'm not sure on the legalities of it and so on, so be careful with that. I'd recommend obviously buying it. Earl Scholz, How to Become a Millionaire. I know it's called How to Become a Millionaire, but what you'll find really interesting if you choose to get this is the fact that you will he's speaking about the law of attraction. Okay, he did a seminar, and if you get the audio CD, you'll be able to hear him, and it literally is one of the best speeches, presentations for how to use the law of attraction. And the cool thing is, I think it must have been recorded in the 40s, 50s or early 60s, because Earl Scholz died relatively young, but you want to check it out. If you're new to the law of attraction, I highly recommend this. Just search for the recording. The recording's called How to Become a Millionaire. The guy is Earl Scholz. You'll be able to find it online. There's also a paperback version if you want to read it, but I recommend the audio CD. I think it will really, really help you. I just wanted to do another video that gives you a recommendation on a book because of the other one I did as well. So do check that out if you're after money for the law of attraction. I've got a book recommendation for that. If you're interested in the law of attraction, check out the link below. It will give you my guide on the law of attraction. attractyourdreamstoyou.com is the website, and it actually shows you the 3 simple steps that I use when I want to attract anything, and it tells you the story, real story, of attracting a BMW M4 into my life, my dream car. Okay, and the steps I went through. Again, not saying I magicked it out of thin air and did absolutely nothing. I followed steps, I took actions, but I used the law of attraction as I show in the guide. So if you're interested in that, that's totally free. It's at attractyourdreamstoyou.com. For an introduction into the law of attraction, one of the best I've ever seen, do check out Earl Scholz and How to Become a Millionaire. I've also noticed on Amazon they've got a this book seems to be the same thing. I'm not sure if it's the same material. How to Get Everything You Want Out of Life. That is pretty much word for word as in the presentation. So I'm not sure who's selling that, but just check it out. Earl Scholz, How to Become a Millionaire. I know it's not how to use the law of attraction, but you'll see what's interesting is he's speaking about the law of attraction a long time before The Secret came along and so on, and I think it will help you. Give us a thumbs up if you like it. Let me know if you go and check it out and what you think of it. Let me know what you think of the law of attraction generally, And do get your free guide as well. I've put the link below, attractyourdreamstoyou.com, and that will give you a free guide on you just opt in and you'll be able to get the free material and get started with that straight away. So thanks for watching, guys. I appreciate you. I hope you have a fantastic day, and I'll see you in the next one.